What's good, YouTube? So, your favorite baddie, unicorn mermaid princess, Germany Bad with 2Ds is back with another video. Clearly, okay, y'all already know what we about to be doing today. I'm about to show y'all a real quick, easy way of doing your locks because I have 101 locks, okay? And retwisting, it takes time, effort, and all that, and sometimes you in a rush. Sometimes you got to get it done, okay? So for those that need to get it done real quick and they want a nice new technique, stay tuned, okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to do like 8 at a time, and that's how I save some time. Okay, so we're gonna take 7, 8. Okay, they all somewhat in the same location. Okay, so what I like to use is this right here. This is just spring water. Okay, we don't use no sink water on our hair unless you just shampooing your hair or something. But when you doing your hair, I like to use spring water because I just feel like it don't have no fluoride in it and stuff like that. So boom, we got this. This is just water. But what we did use is a little bit of this Cantu coconut oil shining hold mist right here. We just dropped and drizzled a little bit into this water because this stuff just smells so good, and I just feel like it just make the water just feel fresher and just better. Okay, so boom, now you got your comb. We're gonna use this lock gel today. This is some Jamaican mango and lime for difficult to lock hair. This is the extra hold. I don't normally use this, but I had this somebody here the other day, so I already got it, and I might as well just, you know, use this. And then we have our rubber bands, so let's get into it. Step number 1, you use your water smell good mixture and get it wet, okay? I mean wet like how they like it. You feel me? Wet. As y'all can see, some of my edges I did like do a little bit of twisted too. That's just because I had went somewhere the other day and I didn't want to look too crazy, so I just did my edges real quick. Oil, okay? Oil, okay? Oil is very important. I use oil anytime I retwist my hair. It's very important, so don't play when it comes to the oil. Second step, after you spray it real good, you want to put hella oil on your scalp. Like, pull the oil down to the rest of your hair. This shouldn't take very long, but I like to put a whole lot of oil so that when I retwist, I don't have to add nothing else. Then I get my little bit of my gel. Just, you can't even see it. A little bit of my gel. And that was just oil still left on my hand. And I just put it on every single piece so that when I start retwisting, I can just retwist all this. I don't have to go back, put more oil, go back, put more water, none of that. Throw all this towel over here. Take your comb her out. And this is not, I'm not about to fix none of my parts. Like I said, this is a quick retwist, okay? Fixing your parts is when you do a long, detailed retwist. I go boom, and I just do my boom. You can do the locksmithing method, which is similar to this technique right here, like that. I'm not about to do that. This is a quick retwist, okay? If y'all do want to know how to do the locksmithing method, though, I do have a video that'll help you out with that. It's right here, okay? So boom, we got that going. So boom, when I'm done with these, I just twist it like that, and then I get it out my way. Take the next piece. Boom. Comb it. Same thing. Quick. Real quick technique. Boom. Put it out my way. As y'all can see, we getting a lot done at a time. This is like 8 out of 101. We about to plait it up. So we got 1. We're gonna take the next one beside her. Next one beside her. Boom. Make sure that they still twisted when you pulling them down. If they not, then you just retwist it. For example, this, if this wasn't still twisted, I would just twist it up. I like to use excessive amounts of oil. When I say excessive, I mean like I want my scalp to be like, I want a little bit of the oil to be running down my face a little bit so that I gotta wipe it like that, okay? Flip it up and rubber band it like this. See? So as y'all can see, we got half of my head done. Boom. I know y'all have seen retwist videos from me, but y'all never seen a retwist video like this, okay? I know I had to hurry up and get this video out the way because my next video, I needed to have a proper retwist so that I can do this style right here, okay? If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to go follow me on Instagram because my fans and my supporters, they voted for me to do this style next. Creative style right here, okay? And it's fire, it's gonna be cute, but I needed to have this retwist ready. So if you like to stay tuned, if you're interested in seeing that style right there, then come on over to my channel tomorrow, knock on the door, and do your thing or whatever, okay? So anyway, sis, make sure one more time, make sure you like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And sis, make sure that you stay that bitch, because you already know that you that bitch. Don't let no tell you that you ain't that bitch, because Germany bad said that you is. Yeah. Anyways, make sure y'all stay tuned tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day, because I'm being consistent whether you realized it or not. Okay, bye.